Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and hide your active now activity status on Instagram. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Instagram application. Once you've done that, all you need to do is tap on your profile on the bottom right of your screen and then click on the triple lines on the top right. Now, once you've done that, simply go ahead and head into your settings and activity. So let me just go ahead and look for that. And once you've simply found that, simply click on messages and story reply and then click on show activity status. And then as you can see, it is turned off for me. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.